3.
Thukuru-ini wa Kirinyaga University ni ko maabitha a kamiti ya EACC megwikinyitie kambi-ini ya kuhurana na ungumania makirongoreria gukinyira arutwo wa mathukuru ma university. Munini wa muikariri giti wa kamiti no Ndagitari Monica Mwiru oigite marakinyira arutwo mathukuru-ini niguo gutigirira mari na mitugo miega na waragania mbere ya maingirite mawira-ini matiriha mathomo mao.
In appreciation of that recommended speeches.
Mwiru augite otiga gukinyaniria watho na njira ya gwikia ngono ekwirwo na kumathitanga. Kamiti no ni iretha njira ingi iria ikuhuthira hari kuhukia ungumania bururi-ini, akihinyiriria mbeu njithi gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kurwa na ungumania.
Urge the students to bring in new solutions for strengthening integrity and combating corruption through research and innovation. I know this university is about technology. We are urging you to come up with new ideas.
Murugamiriri wa thukuru uyu Profesa Mary Ndung'u ni oigire bara ya ungumania yagereire kwambiriria mathukuru-ini gutigirira arutwo ni mekira kio mathomo-ini mao na magatherema matekuhenania.
The government systems were attacked by those hackers. So we want you to come up with new ways of dealing with corruption in the digital space, because now we are living in the digital space.
Let's help in fighting this corruption. Let's help in fighting this menace, which has been with us for quite some time. I know we present the change that can help us to fight this menace. So wherever you are as Gen Z, as a student, as a youth, please let's embrace change. Let's fight corruption.
Murugamiriri wa ubaruthi wa Ngeretha guku bururi-ini Gal Levin ni eranire unyitaniri wa mabururi maya meri hari mihang'o ya kuhurana na ungumania.
We encourage you to have integrity in your studies. Don't be tempted to take shortcuts, because shortcuts is what leads to corruption. We urge you, hard work pays, honesty pays. And as you are honest, you build trust. And once you have a trustworthy community, you will be a happy person. And it is doable. It is doable to be trustworthy and to be truthful in what you do.
Arutwo thukuru-ini uyu ni meranire gutwarithia na mbere mathomo maya riri kambi-ini ino iratwarwo thukuru-ini wa University wa Egerton.
Young people are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they are the change makers of today. Your voices, your ideas, and your actions are essential in dismantling corruption and building a culture of integrity.
One, the university to establish and operationalize an integrity club. The EACC will offer technical support and ensure it is operational. The club or integrity clubs help inculcate ethical values to the students.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.